In the diverse land of America, many cultures converge, bringing with them unique traditions, some of which may seem unusual to outsiders. One such tradition is the rolling of cheese wheels during the annual Cooper's Hill Cheese Rolling and Wake in Gloucester, although it finds a sister in the American version. Every year, in the small town of Stilton, Illinois, a peculiar event known as the Cheese Rolling Obstacle Course takes place. Participants gather not just to roll, but to hurdle, crawl, and zigzag with a hefty wheel of cheese through a challenging obstacle course. The goal is to finish as quickly as possible without losing the wheel, and it's a game of balance, agility, and absurdity. Imagine a spring morning when the air carries a mixture of damp grass and the faint hint of dairy. Enthusiasts don colorful jerseys and line up at the start, each eyeing the hefty wheel of cheddar at their feet like a trusted steed. There's Mark, the local favorite whose agile strides and ingenious cheese handling have earned him the title before. Opposite him stands Leslie, a sprightly newcomer whose unorthodox strategy piqued interest. As the whistle sounds, the air erupts with cheers. The contestants sprint, wheels in hand or rolling ahead of them, into the gauntlet that awaits. First are the low-hanging bars that demand a skillful duck and dive, for any slip-ups could lead to immediate disqualification. Next comes the zigzag path, a series of sharp turns that challenge each contender's finesse. Leslie proves her mettle here, deftly maneuvering the cheese without letting it roll astray. Mark gains ground on the final crawl-through tube, a mesh cylinder just wide enough for his shoulders. It's neck and neck as they burst into the open, wheels rattling over the grass towards the finish. Spectators cheer raucously, a wave of sound that propels the competitors forward. An unexpected twist occurs as Leslie's cheese takes an errant bounce from a small divot in the field. The cheese hurtles towards Mark, who with uncharacteristic grace sidesteps, allowing both of them to regain control mere feet from the line. Victory goes to Leslie by a hand's width, much to the roar of the crowd. Mark, ever the gentleman, congratulates her warmly. Both of them bask in the oddball victory of the day. This strange spectacle ends not just in triumph, but in hearty laughter, proving once again the delight in embracing the bizarre and uniting communities through the simplest of pleasures.